Hi. Hello. Noodle, what are you going to do with those? Why do you want those? Noodles! What are you doing? Oh! Noodles! Those are... I was going to make you a toy out of these. No, I was going to make the toy.
Like, Brandon, you gonna pick them up?
Well, now I can't make a toy. You took all the pieces. Now what? No, you can't throw my phone.
I love you. What? What do you say? What? Downstairs. I told you. Daddy's downstairs. He's working. Hi, Sugar.
Hi, Sugar.
Hi, Sugar. Hi, Bird.
Hi, Bird. Love you.
I love you.
¿Qué viste, mi amor? ¿Qué viste? ¿Viste un pájaro? No tengas miedo, mi amor, no te pasa nada. ¿Viste? ¿Viste cómo le empezó a hacer?
Johnny, why'd the chicken cross the road? I didn't reach the punchline yet. You gotta wait till I make the joke.
You keep ignoring me.
Hi, baby. You're so cute.
Excuse me? Excuse me? No, we do not eat the door frame. Yes. What are you doing, baby Bart?
Hey, guess what time it is? Guess what time it is? It is bedtime. Let's go to bed. Come on. Let's go. Come on, you gonna be a good boy and go to bed. It's bedtime. Yeah. But we got it's time to go. Come on. I'm sorry. I know. But we gotta go. We gotta go. You know what time it is, big boy. All right. Are you gonna be a good boy? Are you gonna be a good boy and go with mommy?
Oh! You ready to go night-night? You ready to go night? You ready to go night-night? Yes, you are. You ready to go night-night? You ready to go night? You ready to go night-night? Yes, you are. It's a night-night time. You gotta go to bed. You gotta go to bed. You gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go to bed. You ready? Are you? Do you want to go night-night? Do you? Okay, let's go. You ready? Are you? Okay. Happy birthday! Well done! It's very impressive. Yes, you are a good boy. Happy birthday! That's just happy birth. That's still just happy birth. You got to do the rest of it. Happy birthday! That's better. Well done. Good boy. Happy birthday.
I feel raindrops. You don't like water. Ah! You feel it? Woo! What are you gonna do? It's just a drizzle. It's just a drizzle. What is it, Lily? You don't know what's going on either. Ow! My ear.
Are you pitching a fit? Why? Can we not?
Hi, baby Bart.
Hi, baby Bart.
You like the puppy toys? Go get it! Go get it!
We're waiting for that waffle to come up, right? You're doing Lego My Eggo? Don't touch that, it's hot. Ready? It's gonna be up in a second. Okay, I know, it's coming up, it's coming. All right, yes, you're looking in. Don't get too close, don't get too close. Don't get too close to the toaster. Yay! Yay! Yes. So now, wait, now I have to put it on a plate. I have to put it on a plate for you. And then we're gonna cut it. Just a minute, Whip. You took the whole, you're gonna take the whole thing? No, let Mommy cut it first. Oh, maybe not.
Bed, jumping on the bed, jumping on the bed. Yeah! Jump on the bed, jump. Jump on that bed. Yeah! Jump. Jumping on the bed.
And drop off the.
After Daddy's toes.
No.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hey now.
Oh. You ready to go night night? You ready to go night? You ready to go night night? Yes, you are. You ready to go night night? You ready to go night? You ready to go night night? Yes, you are. It's the night night time. You gotta go to bed. You gotta go to bed. What? You have to. Are you ready? It's the night night time. It's a night night time. Hello. Hello. You gotta go night night. Yeah. What's that? Is that Scalp? The quail?